toddler here. Welcome to SynthiVerseirfan. Let's learn and laugh. Yay! We're gonna have so much fun here on SynthiVerseirfan. Look, I'm jumping on the red circle. Yay! Here I go, jumping on the green triangle. Whee! Jumping high on the yellow star. So fun! I love the purple heart. Wow! The blue square is perfect! Let's go! Jumping on the orange oval, here I come. Look at me! Jumping on the green pentagon! I love the red heart! Jump, jump, yay! Jumping high on the blue diamond. Here I go, jumping on the yellow oval. Jumping on the blue star. This is so much fun. Look! I'm on the purple triangle. Yay! Careful jump on the green circle. Perfect! Jumping on the red square, so cool! Look at me play jump on the yellow heart! Yay! Jumping on the purple square. Fun times! I'm jumping on the orange diamond. Jump, jump on the blue oval. Yay! Look at me on the red heart. So fun! Woo! I am jumping high on the green star. Yay, yay! Jumping on the yellow triangle. So much fun! Look! I'm jumping on the blue circle! Yay! Careful jump on the red star. Perfect! Jumping on the green diamond! So cool! Look at me jump on the purple oval! Yay! Look, I am! Jumping on the orange heart! Woo! I'm jumping on the blue diamond! Yay! Jump, jump! Careful on the red oval! So fun! Look at me, I am jumping on the green heart! Yay! I am jumping high on the yellow star. Thank you for watching! See you soon at SynthiVerseirfan! Don't forget to like and subscribe to SynthiVerseirfan. See you next time! Thanks for joining SynthiVerseirfan!